हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप? तो मैं आज आपको स्टोन सूप के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं अब। स्टोन सूप। वंस देयर वाज अ मैन हु स्पेंट हिज डेज वॉकिंग अबाउट द कंट्री साइड इन इंग्लैंड, here and there and now and again. He took a job if he felt like working. He was strolling along a clay road one day when he saw a stone. It was as big of his feet, as round as his sun, as flat as chopping board, and as white as inside of an onion. He picked it up. Later on, feeling hungry, he called at cottage and asked for something to eat. The stone was still in his hand. What's that you have there? Asked the woman who came the door. Just my soup stone, that's all, said man. A soup stone. A soup stone, I will never heard of a such thing, said the woman. What do you use it for? To make soup, and many a good bowl of soup it has made, although it years old. Well, that is something I would like to see, said the woman. I will never heard such a yarn before, soup indeed. She laughed. Nonsense and nonsense to you, snorted the man. If you let me use your fire and a big pot, I will soon show you how many stone can make soup. All right, come in. I don't believe it, but I will. You get a pot right away, said the woman, bustling into a pantry to bring out a pot. The man dropped the stone into a partly filled the pot with water, then hung in over fire. When the pot began to boil, he took off his lid, stirred, and sniffed the stream and peered into a mim. It's coming along nicely, he said. How long before it's going to be ready? Asked the woman. Not long, and it smells already, the man sniffed. I would be even better. It is had an onion or two in it. Oh, I can let you have a couple of onions, said the woman, going to be a basket and bringing back some onions. The man put in the soup. After a while, he took off the lid again, stirred the water. Onions sniffed the stream and peered into the pot. It's going to be a good soup from the smell of it, he said. Ah, it's ready then. Not quite, but it all very good it is. I will even better if had a spoonful of salt and fewer vegetables. I can let you a carrot too, and I will give you some salt, said the woman, going to a cupboard, bring back her salt spot and bunch carrots, 3 sticks of celery, and a handful of parsley. Into the pot they went. After a while, the man took the lid off the pot again. ओके दोस्तों, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।